Welcome to Mary's next artistic adventure.
Ooh, dinner jackpot!
Let go of my fashion, you stubborn vegetable!
Next time, wear sportswear, not party wear. This carrot must be glued to the earth. Ooh! My lunch is going to be extra crunchy today. Okay, team, pull with me. That's not a carrot, that's a rocket!